Ready to set up your Class Hub in minutes? Here's a simple guide to help you get started on GMind.ai. Start by opening your browser and visiting www.gmind.ai. Select Class Hub on the outline pane by the left. Add a name to your hub, for example, English Hub. Choose Public and click Continue, and voila, you have created your hub. Easy peasy. Now it's time to create class. Click on Create Class. Choose your class type. I will choose Single. Fill in the basic information for your class type in class name, such as JS3. Select your subject. English works great. Pick a suitable grade level, like level 8. For the short description, simply ask GMind AI to write one for you. Do the same for the detailed description. Let GMind AI handle it. If you have any added notes, include them and click Continue. Choose your email address and click Continue. Just like that, your Class Hub is created. Go ahead and click View Class. Step inside your hub and enjoy your new digital classroom. GMind AI makes teaching simple, smart, and seamless. Enjoy GMind AI, powered by Go to Course.